everyone, it's Madison with Old 98 Destin. Today I'm in Crystal Beach and I'm going to take you guys on a beach walk this morning. I did put a link to Bliss Beach Rentals in the description slide video, so if you're planning a trip to Destin or 30A soon and you're looking for a vacation rental, whether it's a condo or a home, be sure to check out Bliss Beach Rentals. They've got you covered. And check out their blog as well. We've got lots of stuff about Destin. If you're interested in things to do in the area, check out the blog on there too. And then we'll just get to the beach walk. So if you have any questions about visiting the area and stuff, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your question. What color is the flag today? There's not a flag up right now. By the looks of the waves, it looks like it's probably going to be yellow. I don't see a flag over at that flagpole either, so I don't know. I'm guessing it's yellow though. What does yellow mean? It means like medium level waves, so it's medium risk. It's just like the flag levels go green, yellow, and red, and then double red flags. So double red flags means that the water is close to the public because of it's like a dangerous surf advisory and riptide and everything. And then red flags usually mean dangerous riptide, dangerous surf too, but not quite as bad as double red flags. And then yellow is like medium surf advisory, because you can see that there's a little bit of waves. It's not totally calm today, but I still don't see any flags. How is the June grass today? So I don't really see very much of it. The water looks pretty clear. It's really early, so I can't really see quite how clear the water is, because when the sun is directly over the water, it looks really clear, but when it's this early in the morning, it's hard to tell. But it doesn't look like that there's that much like green stuff on the beach. Like there's a little bit of June grass on the beach, but not a lot at all. So it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Percentages of storms this week. So I'm just wearing a Fitbit, so it only goes out a few days. So let me just tell you what I can see. Okay, so today there's a 25% chance of rain. Tomorrow's a 57% chance of rain. Wednesday, 40% chance of rain. Thursday, 61% chance of rain. And that's as far as I can see on my watch. But I will tell you about storms is that it doesn't usually rain the whole day if there's rain. So it'll rain for like an hour in the afternoon, but then it'll be really nice and sunny for the rest of the day. But the sun just came out. another question about June grass. Is it expected next week? Okay, so I don't really know how to do a forecast for June grass, but as you can see, there's just a little bit of June grass in the water over at Crystal Beach where we are right now. There's a little bit, but the water is still pretty generally clear. It's nothing to really worry about in this area, it looks like. There's definitely a little bit of June grass, but it's not like solid green or anything. So this time of year we do get June grass, so it's not like the weather, so I can't really give you like a forecast for what days it's going to be bad. It just kind of just depends what it ends up happening. But yeah, there's a little bit of June grass right now, but it's not too bad. Someone's wondering about best places to watch fireworks on the 4th of July. So the Destin Harbor, like over at Harbor Walk Village, has a good fireworks show. Destin Commons usually has a good fireworks show. That's where I've gone before. If you do have a boat or something, or if you could take like a fireworks cruise or stuff, those are really fun if you can watch them over the water. But I typically go to either the Commons or I take a boat out and go watch them on the water. The website for rentals, okay, so I linked it in the description of this live video, so it should be in there, but it's Bliss Beach Rentals. And so they've got condo options and they've got vacation rental home options, so check that out. Do you have to rent the chairs and umbrellas on the beach? Yes, you do. Let me see what these ones are that you're seeing. These are Villa Cayoyaba. That's the brand. So a lot of times your vacation rental will actually come with included beach service. So check that before you just like go rent them, because you might actually have it included with your stay. But if you don't have it included with your stay, you could go up to the beach service people when you get to the beach and you can rent out wherever beach you're at, because it changes depending on which beach you're at, which beach service you get. So it's really easy. Just go to the beach and just reserve yours. Yeah. You want to be in it? Are you visiting here? Or you live here? You're visiting? Where are you visiting from? Where are you visiting from? Are you having a good time? Awesome. What's your favorite thing to do here? The beach? All right. Well, see you guys. Is red tide completely gone? Yes, red tide's been gone since about October here. We haven't had an issue with it at all. So that's a good thing. What time can you rent an umbrella at Emerald Beach? I don't know where Emerald Beach is, but we're at Crystal Beach, and so right now I think you could probably go up to any of the people selling umbrellas and already and get one reserved. You could also call ahead if you already know for sure which beach service you want. So again, the one we're walking by is Villa Cuyaba. Where is this? We're in Crystal Beach, which is in Destin, Florida. And Destin, Florida is on the panhandle of Florida, so it's between Pensacola and Tallahassee on a map. Have jellyfish been a problem this year? I know Tybee Island is having issues with the Portuguese man of war. So we had a man of war over in this area about a month ago, but now the purple flags are gone. So they were a little bit of an issue for a few weeks, but now they're gone. So I wouldn't say they're a really big issue right now. you so much for watching this live video. I hope you enjoyed this beach walk. Don't forget to check out Bliss Beach Rentals if you're planning a trip to the area soon and you're still looking for a place to stay. I highly recommend checking that website out, and don't forget to check out the blog and stuff on there if you're looking for ideas of things to do in the area. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!